sir. Have a good day. My name is Donay Reginal Fernandez. You can call me Gina for short. I am 30 years old. I have lived in partner for 14 years. I have two daughters, 9 years old and 11 years old. My height is 152 centimeter. My kilo is 54 kilograms. I am high school graduate and I have massage therapy certificate and nail technician. And I have experience for work in Kuwait for 4 years and 2 years here in Philippines. And I do duty. My responsibilities is I cook, cleaning, wash the clothes, make ironing, washing dishes, cleaning inside the house, and I do marketing. And also I cook Filipino foods, and I the most important to take care of newborn baby and pet. And mom, sir, let me to serve your family, and I want to learn also to cook a Chinese food, and I will assure you that I am kind, honest person, and hardworking, and I am easy to follow your instruction. And God bless you, mom, and have a good day. Bye.